Lake Constance, a stunning freshwater lake nestled in the heart of Central Europe, offers a picturesque setting where nature, culture, and recreation converge. Straddling the borders of Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, this expansive lake presents a tapestry of experiences that cater to travelers seeking scenic beauty, historic towns, and a range of outdoor activities. The lakeside cities and towns that dot the shores of Lake Constance each contribute to the region's unique charm. Constance, with its medieval architecture and lively atmosphere, provides a blend of history and modernity. The Imperia statue, a symbol of the city, overlooks the harbor, while the Constance Cathedral showcases Gothic and Romanesque architecture. Meersburg, known for its charming half-timbered houses, is home to the Meersburg Castle, offering panoramic views of the lake and surrounding vineyards. Lindau, with its Bavarian charm, features a historic old town, the iconic Lindau Lighthouse, and the picturesque harbor entrance adorned with a Bavarian lion statue. The Mainau Island, often referred to as the Flower Island, is a horticultural paradise with vibrant gardens, exotic plants, and seasonal blooms that create a riot of colors. The island's botanical diversity and scenic beauty make it a serene escape for nature enthusiasts and photography enthusiasts alike. Lake Constance's cycling and hiking routes are a popular way to explore the region's natural beauty. The Bodensee Radweg, a well-maintained cycling path that encircles the lake, offers breathtaking views and the opportunity to discover charming villages along the way. The lakeside promenades provide picturesque walks that allow visitors to soak in the tranquil ambience. The lake itself offers a variety of water-based activities, from swimming and sailing to kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding. The lake's clear waters and refreshing breezes provide an ideal backdrop for aquatic adventures. Lake Constance's wine culture is another highlight, with vineyards lining the northern shores. Visitors can embark on wine tours, tasting the region's white wines and exploring the local winemaking traditions. The Zeppelin Museum in Friedrichshafen offers insight into the history of aviation, with a focus on the pioneering airships developed by Ferdinand von Zeppelin. The museum's exhibits and interactive displays provide a fascinating journey through aeronautical history. The Lake Constance region's culinary offerings reflect the influences of the surrounding countries. Freshwater fish, such as whitefish and perch, are popular menu items, often served in local restaurants with a view of the lake. Traditional dishes and international cuisine are also readily available. Lake Constance is a destination that embodies the idyllic beauty of Europe's lake regions. Whether it's exploring historic towns, embracing outdoor activities, indulging in cultural experiences, or simply enjoying the tranquil landscapes, Lake Constance invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of nature's serenity and cultural richness.